Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can access how you can access Sora 2 using a code. Basically, just go to the first Sora and then join new Sora, enter invite code, and this is where you can enter the invite code. It only works though if you have the code. So if you want to get a code, you'll need to find somebody who's already on Sora, and they'll be able to invite you to join Sora 2. It's not the biggest difference, however, from Sora 1. Well, there could be some slight differences. You can also find Sora codes on Discord as well. But yeah, the only most efficient ways to get it from a friend, it's going to look like this, the code. This is, as you can see, invalid though. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.